Shark Squad? It's your boy, the Edgardo. Welcome back to another video. What's up, what's up, what's up? Today we are going to be doing something that we haven't done before. Or I've done it one time, but I deleted it so you guys can't watch it. Technically, this will be episode 2, but now this is episode 1 of Cooking with the Real Edgardo. Now, today, your boy is going to make cereal pancakes. Yes, sir. And I haven't eaten breakfast, so this is perfect. So what you need, obviously, is the pancake mix. You need those measuring cups or a bowl. It doesn't matter. And then you're going to need your favorite cereal. Doesn't matter what kind of cereal it is. As long as you want to put it in the pancakes. Next thing you want to do is have a skillet of some kind, or this, a stove. If you have a stove and you can use it, use it. Alright, Shark Squad, this is the first episode. Let's freaking get it. Alright guys, so the first thing we are going to do is obviously turn on the skillet. If you have a skillet, put it on at least 300 degrees. Now this will not warm up really fast, so it gives us time to prepare. It gives us time to prepare. I have a measuring spoon, I think it's called. I don't remember. This is how you're gonna measure your cereal. So I'm gonna put the phone right here. We're gonna start with Fruity Pebbles, and we're gonna put the cereal in the measuring cup first. Start with Fruity Pebbles. And it's a new bag too. It's a new bag. See? A new bag. Now, what we are going to do is grab the measuring spoon, put it in the cereal, and then pour it into the measuring cup about 2 times. You can do it once, you can do it twice, you can do it 3 times. I suggest you do it 2 times. You guys can't see my face. I suggest you guys do it 2 times and 2 times only. Let me put this back. Alright, that's out of the way. Now, I have Fruit Loops and Frosted Flakes. See? You do the same thing you did to the Fruity Pebbles. The measuring spoon with the Fruit Loops, you can do it about 3 times. Since it won't grab a lot. There we go. As you guys can see so far. Yes, sir. Alright. Now we're going to put this back. Now, Shark Squad. The next thing we're going to do, I know you guys really haven't been seeing my face. Boom. Frosted Flakes. There's only a little bit, but it's good enough. Now, since my Frosted Flakes are crushed because of the little incident we had, we're only going to do 2. Normally, we would probably do like 3. That's not the case. Alright. Boom. We should have like this. Next, Shark Squad, we are going to do the pancake mix. See? If you guys don't have this exact one, it doesn't matter. Just pour pancake mix into it. Pour. If you're going to do it for more than one person, you might have to do these same steps twice. Maybe. Depending on how big your measuring cup is. Yes, I'm making a mess. That's the point. Cooking with the Real Edgardo. Just a little more. And boom. You should have it like this. Shark Squad. Boom. You see that? See the powder? Yes, sir. It's all dusty. See that? Yes, sir. That's how it's supposed to look. Next, Shark Squad. You pour water. Since it's pancake mix, you gotta pour water. You guys probably, the Edgardo, that's nasty, putting cereal in water. Well, that's not the case. Now it's not cereal. It's not just cereal. There's pancake mix. You gotta add water. So we're gonna add this much water right now, because we gotta mix it up. Grab a spoon or whatever you want to use to mix it all up. Mix it all up. Yes, sir. Mix it all up. 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 Mix it all. That's perfect. I mean, look at the beauty. Look. You might think it's disgusting now, but once you make it into a full pancake, it's going to look good. Now we're going to go into the skillet part. Alright, Shark Squad, so the skillet should be good right now. So what you're going to do is, you're going to need butter. Doesn't matter what type of butter you use. I personally use country crock. What we're going to do is, grab it. Grab your spatula. Spatula, this is what a spatula is if you guys didn't know. Grab it. Grab a big chunk like this of butter. Pour it on here. Then you just spread it. Just spread it, spread it, spread it. Spread it, all that butter. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that butter, Shark Squad. Oh, look at that butter. Oh my God. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Yes, sir. That is some perfect butter. I'm going to get back to you guys too. Hold on, let me reverse my camera. I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Alright, now just look. Look at that. It's beautiful. Now, time to add the pancake mix to the skillet. Let's get it. Alright guys, you ready? Look. Now, it's not going to come out as a perfect circle, but it won't matter. Now, if your skillet is big enough to fit 3, that's good for you. Mine is only good enough to fit 2, since this one's all over the place and the other one is not. So this is what it should look like. If yours looks way neater than your boys, that is fine too. Now let's wait. Alright, now let's check on the pancakes. Alright guys, look at that. They look just about ready to flip, so we's gonna flip it now. Alright. I'm gonna flip this one first. Oh wow. Kinda messed it up. But look. It looks good. Now let's try this one. Flip it. Oh wow. Oh yeah, that looks perfect. That looks good. That looks good. This one came out actually pretty good. This one came out all over the place, but I don't think it really matters. I'm gonna make 3, maybe even 4 pancakes, guys. So, yeah. No, let me flip my camera. Bop. As you guys can see, I added another one to the mix. So you have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How perfect, right? It's so perfect. It's so perfect. Alright guys, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab our spatula once again. Oh, by the way, if you guys didn't add another one, make sure you do. We're gonna grab this pancake right here. We're gonna put it right there. Me, personally, what I like to do is I like to layer my syrup and butter. So, Oh, do I have an open syrup?
I guess not.
So what I do, Shark Squad, hold on, let me just place the camera. What I usually do is I grab my syrup, open it, boom. Then I layer it. But before I do that, I grab my butter. Ooh, my camera. I grab my butter. I grab a tiny piece like this, pour it on there, and then add the syrup. Now to the other pancake, I do the same thing. Put it on top of the other. Grab a tiny piece of butter. Oh, that's too much. And then layer it with syrup. Now this is how it looks. Y'all like that close up?
Yes, sir.
Now the other pancake that I have, I'm gonna add another bit of butter right to this side. I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna flip it over.
Ah, butter's falling from the skillet.
So now it's flipped over. Yes, sir. We're gonna add one more pancake, okay? One more, at least for me. If you guys already put enough, that's good for you. Keep up the great work. You guys are doing great. All right, Shark Squad, now that we are done with our pancakes, it's time for the taste test. Ha, 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 ha. The taste test begins, Shark Squad. The taste test begins. I mean, look at this. This is beautiful. I didn't think this would actually work. I'm not gonna lie. Let's try it. Okay, looking good so far. Oh my God. Guys. Oh, it's falling. Look at this. It's beautiful. Clap it up. Clap it up. Shark Squad, this is delicious, yo. Oh yeah. Oh. Ah yeah. I'm stuffed. Guys, those pancakes were literally delicious. Now as you can see, I couldn't finish the entire plate, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, look, I finished it, technically. Shark Squad, you guys did an absolutely amazing job. Make sure if you're new, you hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell that lets you know every time I make a video on Shark. Bite that like button, y'all already know. If y'all like this video, please let me know so I can make a part 2. A part 2, and this time it won't be breakfast. Next time it'll probably be like lunch or something. I don't know. For real, guys, like look, we did all of this. Step by step. I made it up. Like, I'm pretty sure cereal pancakes were not made by me. Excuse me. They weren't made by me, obviously. But, like, I didn't think it would work the way I was doing it. Somehow, it doesn't taste watery. The cereal inside the pancakes, you don't feel like a crunch or anything. Like, the cereal, it's like it was already inside the pancake mix from the start. That's how it tasted. Like, it tasted really good. And if you guys think you did well or better than I did, please let me know in the comment section below. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.